Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Jamal bin Azman Aminuddin. My registration number is 01TKA20F1059 and I'm from DKA5C. Okay, so this presentation is for lab work 2 and I will present about this project. Okay, so this will be the task 1 for architectural versus mechanical. Okay, so after I've done the interference report, and there are eight problems that I need to solve. Okay, so for the first and the second problem that I have identified, which is the air diffuser having a conflict with the ceiling. So what I've done is the solution is I've done an opening at the ceiling, and the second picture is the result after the solution. Okay, so for the third and fourth problem, I've identified the same things, which is the air terminal air diffuser having a conflict with the ceiling. So I just repeat the same solution, which is do an opening at the ceiling. Okay, so for the problem number 5 and number 6, I've identified the conflict, which is the ducting as the conflict with the ceiling. So the solution is I've done the opening ceiling for uh, for ducting. Okay, so for the next problem is the ducting has a conflict with the wall. So for the solution, I've done an opening wall. So the next picture is the result after the correction. Okay, so after I've done all the correction, I've done another interference check. So at the interference report, there is no interference detected. So that means all the conflicts and correction have been done for this task. Okay, so this will be the task 2, which is mechanical system versus electrical system. Okay, so for the interference report, there are 7 problems that I need to solve. But after I check um, every detail, and there, there are only 4 problems that I need to solve. Okay, so for the first and the second problem for this task 2, uh, is the conduit having a conflict with the ducting. So what I've done for the solution is I've increased the mid elevation from 3400 to 3600. Okay, so for the third and the fourth problem is the same things, which is the conduit having a conflict with the ducting. So I've just done the same thing, the same solution, which is I've increased the mid elevation from 3400 to 3600. Okay, so for the end of the task 2, I've done another interference report. Then I've so there is no interference detected. So that means all the problem has been solved. Okay, so for the last task, which is task 3 for this lab work 2, is plumbing system between cold water system CWS and sanitary plumbing system. So after I've done the interference report, I've identified there is no interference detected, so there is no problem that I need to be solved. So that's all from